stock market investing, British American tobacco technical analysis, and we're on the monthly chart. And as I usually say, guys, do we think at this point in time it is a good idea to consider buying this particular stock? And the answer to that question, in my very humble opinion, is a no. And I'm going to give reasons as to why I say that at this point in time it's actually not a good idea to consider buying this particular stock. And as I said, we are on the monthly chart. And on the monthly chart, we can see that the market had given us this double top here, and we saw price move further down to around this level. And this level is a previous all-time low. As you guys can see, it is the low of 2017, 2018, we could say. And I'm just gonna mark that low because it's a very strong level of support. Let's have a look. Here we go. And additionally, as much as we had this double top here, the market has given us another double top here. And as I usually say, whenever we have these patterns, what normally happens is that a lot of traders and investors sell at that point, and they place their stop losses just above, as the anticipation is for the market to move down to at least this level, to close pretty much in line with where it had started, and to complete that structure, right? So that's one of the reasons why I say that buying at this point in time is not a good idea. And also, as much as we had this huge structure over here, which is a double top, we have another one here, right, which has a neckline there as well. And just like this, just like with this big structure here, right, we want to see the market move that down to around this level, to close pretty much in line with where it had started, right? But because we had this bigger structure, there's a very big chance that we may see price move all the way to this point to close in line with that structure. So there is plenty of scope for the market to move further down. And just based on the monthly chart of British American Tobacco, I would say we should or rather, I would wait for the market to reach this level to play this pattern out. And once that has happened, I would then consider looking for potential buy opportunities in and around that area over here, right? And the market may potentially give us a huge double bottom, as you guys can see. But in as far as buying at this stage goes, I would say right now it's definitely not a good idea to consider buying this particular stock.